So guys, welcome to the video. I've been invited to a launch event tonight, and it's the launch event of the local and international residents reading week. Now that's to get people like myself, an international resident of Shenzhen, to do some more reading, and also the local people as well. So right here in the bookstore by the Children's Palace Station. Look at the size of this place. It's a massive bookstore, and this is available for people to come in and chill out and read a book. It's a bit like a library, but you can also buy books here. And right here there's an international book section as well, so there's lots of English books. So tonight is the launch event of the local and international residents reading week, but there's also going to be a bit of music as well. I do love my music. I do love my classical music, so there are some classical artists coming here as well. So yeah, it's all going to happen tonight, so it's all going to be on my channel, and please do keep watching the video to see what happens. But we're going to have Professor David Gray, a professional British pianist, and yes, a pianist, that's what I say. Don't be thinking of something else there. Also the British soprano Catherine Hooper as well. So you never know what you're going to experience in Shenzhen. I just got invited to this today, so here we go. We're in the city, in the big bookshop. We'll see what happens, okay? So let's go and see what it's all about. So we're just waiting for the event to start here. Get photographs.
I'm your host tonight, Shikumo.
首先，请欣赏英国钢琴家 David Gray 先生与歌剧女高音 Catherine Hooper 女士带来的钢琴声乐演奏，有请二位。
Please welcome pianist Mr. David Gray and soprano Miss Catherine Hooper. Welcome. Please. Thank you for that breathtaking performance. Music really speaks a universal language. It connects hearts across borders. And so does EON Books, a space where stories, creativity, and shared human experiences bring us all closer together. A warm welcome to all of the distinguished guests, our international friends, media partners, and readers joining us tonight. Welcome.
I just met one of the hosts here. So do you want to tell me about yourself? Who are you?
What's up, guys? My name is Shiku. I'm Brazilian. I've been living here in China for the best part of 2 years now. And yeah, I've been doing this type of stuff for a long time. I was just talking to Mark here that my first event actually was for 2,000 people. I had never done that before, so it was really scary. And since then, you know, I've been doing some bigger ones, some way smaller ones, and yeah, it's always a delight. I think it's dead.
Oh, it's on. No,
oh, yeah?
it's,
okay.
It's a battery saver. Yes.
Okay.
It's okay.
So yeah, I've been doing a lot of this stuff, and it's always a pleasure, right? Meeting people like you, meeting some other friends, and yeah, always very nice.
And I believe you've got your own Instagram page.
Exactly. So
do you want to tell my viewers what it is?
Sure. Yeah. So like I said, I'm Brazilian, so I have this Instagram profile called O Mundo na China. O Mundo means the world, na China, in China. So the world in China. I focus on like my experience here, the things that are very different, you know. But it's in Portuguese, so if you are from Portugal, from Brazil, or you just want to, like, you know, start to learn the language, it's a great way to start. O Mundo na China.
O mundo
nascina.
Okay.
Perfect pronunciation.
Okay, there you go. Maybe I should start learning Portuguese next.
Yeah, it's not very hard. Yeah.
Yeah. I've learned a little bit of Spanish before, so maybe it's...
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Similar.
Basically. Yeah, it's the same thing as like Scottish and American English.
Yeah.
You know? Like a person from the countryside, like a redneck, talking to a guy from like a small town in Scotland. It's like as distant, most likely.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So, you know, it's different, but not really.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good job. Well, thanks for talking to the camera.
Thank you for interviewing me.
Yes. Well, let's go and enjoy the show. There's going to be some music happening later on. So.
And you know they're British as well, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, you know, many of you guys here tonight.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, good
Nice.
stuff. Okay, good.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah.
First visit in my whole life. I have always wanted to come. I have so many wonderful Chinese friends, and I'm absolutely delighted to visit, and especially that this area in the city of Shenzhen is one of the very first places I have visited. I started with a piece of Russian jazz music, which is something you might never expect to hear. There was an amazing musician called Nikolai Kapustin who lived through the 20th century, and he took classical form and added jazz sounds to it and created the most successful crossover music.
Springtime for you today, and that first piece was from Romeo and Juliet by Gounod. In this famous love story, Juliet is about to attend a party where her maid tells her she might meet a nice young man to marry. But Juliet says, no, I want to stay free, I do not want to get married, because love, it fades just like the rose. I would now like to present a few songs about the language of flowers. Flowers say a lot of things without us having to say anything at all, and that is what these songs all symbolise. First, we will go to Germany with Das Rosenband, the Rose Garland by Strauss. In springtime, a man finds a woman lying in the shade, and he covers her with rose garlands and falls in love with her while she's still asleep. He whispers to her, she wakes up, and as their eyes meet, she falls in love with him as well, and everything around them is paradise.
Didn't get a photograph, it didn't happen.
咱们坐在前面的那些小伙伴，就是把脚往前是一点点倾斜一点点，会好看一些。好的，谢谢。1、2、3，哎，好，1、2、3。哎，老师，你的相机来，1、2、3，等一下啊，视频老师走一个。
点个赞啊！可以说吗？可以。点个赞或者点个心。点个赞，点个心也行吗？一起看世界，我们应该叫一句是吧？可以。2026，一起看世界。
来，重新来。
这条是谁？
2026，一起看世界。
可以。
1、2、3。2026，
一起看世界。耶！